I'm going to show you how to print a page in DuckDuckGo. So it's really easy. In just a matter of seconds, you would be able to print a page in DuckDuckGo. So make sure that you're connected to a printer first. And once you are, just go ahead and open the DuckDuckGo app. And once you're in the app, just look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options like fire icon, tabs button, and 3-dot button. Make sure you tap there. And now at the top options, you can see new, share, copy, and print. Just go ahead and tap on print. And to the first option, you can select the printer that you want. So let's say you want 5 copies of this. You can also choose the paper size. There's the option of orientation, if you want it in portrait mode or if you want it in landscape, the scaling option, the layout option. So it's completely your choice. And after you do that, you would successfully be able to print a page in DuckDuckGo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.